Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Zoom error 10010 quickly and easily. This error usually happens because of login issues, expired account credentials, or an outdated Zoom app. First, open the Zoom app on your computer. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture and select Sign Out. This removes old cached login information that may be causing the error. After signing out, close the Zoom app completely and open it again. Now sign back into your account. If you normally use Google, Apple, or another third-party login method, try using your direct work or personal email address and password instead. If the error still appears, the next step is to update Zoom. Click your profile picture again and choose Check for Updates. Install any available update and restart the app. If updating does not help, uninstall Zoom completely from your device. Then, download the latest version from the official Zoom website and install it again. A clean reinstall usually fixes corrupted files and authorization problems. After reinstalling, sign in again and the error should be resolved. Thanks for watching.